Your drain is running slow again. You bought another bottle of Drano. Here's what that label doesn't tell you. The same enzymes that ancient Romans used to keep their sewers clear cost about $1 a month in bulk powder. And they don't just punch a hole through the clog, they eat the whole thing. Permanently. Bacterial enzyme powder. It's a dry concentrate of four naturally occurring digestive enzymes: protease, lipase, amylase, cellulase. The same compounds your body uses to break down food. A 1 kilogram bag runs $10 to $15 at any agricultural supply store or online. That's enough for 12 to 18 months of whole house maintenance. A bottle of Drano costs $8 to $12. You use 2 to 4 of them a year, and the clog comes back. Because Drano doesn't solve the problem, it temporarily clears the center. Here's why that distinction matters. A drain clog isn't a lump of hair sitting in a pipe. It's a layered structure. Hair and food particles form the core. Grease and soap residue bind around that core and cement it to the pipe wall. Hard water minerals harden over the grease, and a biofilm of bacteria and organic slime adds mass on top of all of it. Sodium hydroxide, which is Drano, attacks this with heat and corrosion. It converts some of the grease to soap, punches a partial opening, and leaves the rest. The structure is still there. It rebuilds within weeks. And over time, sodium hydroxide degrades PVC glue joints, corrodes metal pipes, and kills the beneficial bacteria your septic system depends on to function. Enzyme treatment works differently. Protease identifies the peptide bonds holding the protein core together and breaks them. Lipase converts the hardened grease back into fatty acids and glycerol that flush freely. Amylase breaks down starch. Cellulase handles plant fiber. The enzymes don't create an opening, they digest the structure. There's nothing left to rebuild. And because these are biological molecules, the same ones in your own digestive system, they don't react with metal, PVC, rubber, or any pipe material. They keep working downstream, clearing residue a plumber's snake can't reach. That's why it works. And that's why it was never advertised. Materials: bacterial enzyme powder or liquid concentrate. Agricultural supply store, health food retailer, or Amazon, $10 to $15 per kilogram. Look for labels that say septic treatment, biological drain maintainer, or enzyme drain cleaner. Active ingredients should list protease, lipase, amylase, and cellulase. Green Gobbler, BioClean, and Drainbow are 3 widely available brands. A measuring spoon. Warm water, not boiling. Hot enough to dissolve the powder, not hot enough to kill the cultures. Around 50 degrees Celsius or 120 degrees Fahrenheit. For an existing clog. Step 1. Mix 2 tablespoons of enzyme powder into 1 liter of warm water. Stir until fully dissolved. Step 2. Pour it slowly down the blocked drain. Slow matters. You want the solution to saturate the clog, not rush past it. Step 3. Do not run water down that drain for at least 8 hours. Overnight is better. The enzymes need time to work through the structure without being flushed away before they finish. Most standard household clogs, grease, hair, soap scum, clear in 1 overnight treatment. If you're dealing with years of buildup, repeat for 3 consecutive nights. By morning of day 4, it runs clear. One mistake people make: using boiling water directly from the kettle. Water that's too hot kills the bacterial cultures before they can work. Let it sit for 2 minutes off the boil before mixing. For monthly maintenance, the part that matters most. Once a month, last thing before bed, dissolve 1 tablespoon of powder in half a liter of warm water. Pour it down each drain in the house. Let it sit overnight. That single habit prevents the conditions under which clogs form in the first place. The grease never accumulates, the hair never anchors. Total cost for a full year of whole house maintenance: $10 to $15. Honest limitation: enzyme treatment is slow. If you have a completely blocked drain with standing water, you need to physically remove the standing water first so the enzyme solution can reach the clog. And for severe, fully calcified mineral buildup, white scale you can see, you may need to do a citric acid rinse first to soften the mineral layer before enzymes can work through it. Enzyme treatment is also a biological process, not a chemical one. It needs time. If you're looking for a result in 20 minutes, this isn't it. If you're looking for a result that holds permanently, it is. $12 a year versus $40 to $80 in drain cleaner plus service calls that run $150 to $400 each. That's the math. If your water heater or your septic system is the next thing giving you trouble, Those videos are already on the channel. Take care.